The snow falls softly, blanketing the ground in a pristine white coat. In the midst of this winter wonderland, a mother and her child venture out to play, their laughter echoing in the crisp air. The child's cheeks are rosy from the cold, their eyes sparkling with excitement as they frolic in the snow. The mother watches fondly, her heart swelling with love for her precious little one. She scoops up handfuls of snow, shaping them into snowballs. And the child eagerly joins in the fun, their tiny hands clumsily molding the snow into shapes of their own. Together, they build a snowman, its carrot nose and coal eyes bringing it to life. They give it a scarf and a hat, completing its ensemble with sticks for arms. As they step back to admire their creation, the child's face beams with pride, knowing they've made something special with their mother's help. But the real magic is in the moments they share, their laughter ringing out like bells, the joy of being together in this winter wonderland. As they play, the mother cherishes every second, knowing that these memories will last a lifetime. And in the child's eyes, she sees the purest form of happiness, a testament to the bond they share. In this snowy paradise, amidst the chill of winter, the warmth of love between mother and child melts away all else, leaving only joy, laughter, and the beauty of their shared moments in the snow.